There it goes. Welcome back to another episode of Automotive Insight. Today's repair is a 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500 4.3 liter V6. Today we're going to be replacing the transmission cooler lines. They're starting to leak, so let's get into it. Here we're going to remove the lower skid plate. There is 6 15mm bolts, 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, and 2 at the back. So this is the transmission cooler line. The rubber crimp part of it is starting to leak. So this is what we're going to be replacing here. So for the trans cooler lines, I'm going to try the hard part first, and that's going to be disconnecting it from the radiator. There is a clip on the lower part of the fan shroud. We'll see if we just can't get that loose. Is that off of there? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, now under the hood, we're going to remove the intake tube. There's 2 8mm clamps, and I think there's 2 plastic dowels under the bottom. Oh, and there's a PCV line here. This one you can push from the bottom up to release it. Okay, so we're just going to use a pick to get the clip out. These will fly off. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with the lower one. And next we're going to work our way down the transcoil line and just remove it from a couple brackets. Okay, so there's just 2 of them. There's a plastic one and then a metal one. The next is to remove it from the transmission. Okay, we're going to remove the rest of the transcoil line. It is a 13mm bolt. Okay, we've got our new line. We're going to fish it back through. Sometimes it just doesn't go back in the same way. I'll take off a little bit more. We're just going to disconnect this radiator hose bracket, and then we can maybe swing the upper line around. Okay, I'm going to put the clips back in the cooler. Okay, we got our clips in place. We'll go ahead and reinstall the hoses. All right, we got our new gasket on there. It came with the new line. The old gasket did stick to the transmission, so remove that. And we'll go ahead and reinstall it. Okay, we'll go ahead and put our clips back in. Put our little radiator clip back on. Okay, we'll put our intake back on. All right, well, that's going to wrap up the transcooler line. Labor cost for about 1.8 hours and the part list for $175. This is from the GM dealership. This repair was pretty straightforward, nothing too complicated about it. But anyway, that's going to wrap it up. I may not have all your answers. Hopefully I had some. That being said, see you on the next one.
I'll pick you up at 8. You probably won't be awake. Call yourself an Uber, babe. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait.
Is that off of there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.